Hello everyone. In today's video we will discuss about the fill in the blanks questions of first SEM Geology Major CC 1.1 paper, which is based on NEP 2020 syllabus. So the first question is the branch of geology dealing with the study of ancient organisms. So here is given the ancient organisms. So the study of ancient organisms or fossils is known as paleontology. So the answer will be paleontology. Then the second question is the planetoids lie between planets dash and dash. So the planetoids like the asteroids, meteorite belts. So the planetoids will lie between the planets Mars and Jupiter. So the answer will be Mars and Jupiter. Then the third question is the difference between equatorial and polar diameters of the earth. Okay, so see here it is given diameters, not radius. So the equatorial diameter, if you see the equatorial diameter is 12,756 kilometer minus the polar diameter is 12,714 kilometers. So that will be equal to 42 kilometers. So the answer is the difference between the equatorial and polar diameters is 42 kilometer. So if it is asked about the radius, then the answer will be 21. So here it is asked about the diameter, so the answer will be 42 kilometer. So in the fourth question, the question is the discontinuity between the mantle and core of the earth is known as dash. So the answer will be Gutenberg-Wechert discontinuity. Gutenberg-Wechert discontinuity. Then the average density of the Sialic crust. Okay, the Sial and Sima, the crust is divided into two parts. The continental crust is known as Sial and the oceanic crust is known as Sima. So here it is asked about the average density of the Sialic crust. So that will be equal to 2.7 gram per centimeter cube. So here the unit given is gram per centimeter cube. So the density is 2.7 gram per centimeter cube. Then the dash seismic wave cannot propagate in the liquid medium. So if we see the velocity of S wave formula, so it will be mu by rho root over, where mu is the shear modulus and the rho is the density. So we know for liquid and gas the shear modulus is 0. So the velocity of S wave in liquid and gas will be 0. So the answer will be S wave. So the S waves, okay, the secondary seismic waves or the S waves cannot propagate in the liquid medium. The sudden movement of water saturated soil down a slope is known as dash. So the answer will be mud flow. Then the Ansupa lake is associated with dash river. So it is a very common question. It will be Mahanadi river. Okay. The sweeping action of wind is known as, it will be deflation. There are mainly three processes of wind erosion. One is deflation, one is abrasion and another is attrition. So the sweeping action of wind is known as deflation. Again the last question is the ring of fire occurs around dash ocean. So it will be Pacific Ocean. Okay. So these are the questions from today's exam of paper Major CC 1.1. So this is the detailed answers of all the questions. I hope all of you gave your best in the exam. Our online coaching for second semester is going to start very soon. So if you interested to join in the coaching, then you can contact me through WhatsApp. Thank you. See you in the next video.